Many people have asked, what is good by having free will if everything is predetermined and predestined? If Allah already knows if we are going to heaven or hell, why doesn't He just put us there, the place we are supposed to go? The answer is, this topic is of debate in all the religion of the world. Muslim believes that human free will to commit good or evil act. But that is in the knowledge of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and the power of Allah encompasses all that will happen in this life. That means we will be held accountable for our actions. Allah does not force us to do evil or sin. Sin or bad deeds or good deeds are committed by our free will. Since Allah, while knowing what the outcome will be, allows people to act on their own free will to choose good or evil. Thank you.